I'm Karen. I'm the owner of Lice Doctors, along with Wendy Beck, who is on vacation right now. Today's question is, can lice make your hair fall out? And the answer to that question, fortunately, is no. Lice will not make your hair fall out. Actually, it would be a very bad aspect for the survival of the louse if that were a consequence, because just imagine, lice need hair in order to climb up to the scalp in order to feed from the blood that's in the scalp. So if one of their side effects were causing hair to fall out, eventually they would end up with no hair to climb onto. So the answer is an absolute no. However, let me add something to that. The lice will not cause hair to fall out. However, if you have a bad enough case, or you're highly sensitive to the saliva in the lice bites, you may start scratching your hair incessantly. And if you are one of these people who's like this all the time and pulling and tugging at your hair, it's possible that you can pull out some of your hair. So if you start to feel itchy from head lice, which is a very common side effect, then take care of the problem. And take care of the problem quickly, because lice will not go away by themselves. They will only continue to feed on the head several times a day, adding more bites to the hair, adding more itchiness to the case. So you want to take care of it right away. And when you are looking for head lice, if you try to do it on your own, be gentle when you're combing the hair. You don't want to be tugging. First of all, you want to put some kind of conditioner in your hair to make sure there's no knots. And then when you're using the lice comb, you want to be gentle and make sure that you're not tugging and pulling and tearing the hair out. Lice Doctors does this all the time. We know how to do it with minimal to no tugging of the hair. And it will not help you get rid of the lice if you start tugging the hair and pulling it out. That's not the best way to do it. So hair loss and head lice are not correlated. The lice will definitely not cause your hair to fall out unless you inadvertently get so frustrated that you start pulling it out yourself. We don't advise that. And that is the answer to your question of, will head lice cause hair loss? Thank you, and I'm Karen from Lice Doctors.